So guys, welcome to a porcelain patio installation video. As you can see, the existing patio is old and tired, so we got rid of that, started digging soakaways, stripped it all out, got on the digger and started pulling it all out, getting rid of everything, digging it all up, ready in preparation for our sheet to go down, our soakaway crates to go in, our drainage to go in, new gullies, and then obviously battling adverse weather conditions. We then excavated it all out, got rid of it all. We dug a trench around the property so that we could waterproof their damp-proof course, as you could see, to let the house breathe properly. Some real tough work going on here, excavation wise, being careful of the manholes, obviously tight working spaces down the alleyway, tough work breaking it out. Then we've got our sheet down, our first layer of groundwork, and our lean mix concrete, as you can see, which gives a really nice layer to lay porcelain paving tiles off of. It also gives it long lasting strength, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's a really nice flat base to work off of, and then comes the laying, and here he is, the main man himself, little Marty, picking up the trowel, getting involved, and look at an amazing patio he laid. If only. He had a bit of fun, and it's lovely to get the boy out on these projects. And even at 3 years old, he has picked a trowel up, and it's nothing I told him to do. But there you can see one of my guys slurrying the slabs, putting the sand cement down. The slabs get slurry backed, which is a bridge bond between the sand cement and which adheres the slab to the sand cement for long-lasting adhesion. Look at that cute little boy, isn't he lovely? In years to come, I'm sure he'll be doing that. But as you can see there, the grouted...
The bad weather is here, and I'm going to show you this installation that we have created over in Surrey, which was a front and back. I'm going to walk you around the whole job. We've started with a front tegular apron that we've smoothed into this road. We've got a drive set curb which goes around the perimeter. We've got a lovely radial around here, which is separating the planter from this driveway, which obviously, if you could see in the before bit, how we've redressed this and given it a new lease of life pretty simply. We've done a beautiful radial around here, and as you can see, these curves and the permeable gravel driveway that goes in to this limestone grey porcelain patio with 200 by 100 cut edgings which go around the entire perimeter. We've got a recessed manhole cover there. We've redone the drain details. We've got a beautiful soldier. We've gone from stretcher into soldier, which is basically long ways into side-by-side soldiers. And we have created this absolutely fabulous radial. That's not to forget the bullnose steps that we've got over here. These are handcrafted by ourselves. Bullnosing, yes, bullnosing porcelain slabs with upstands to give a beautifully soft finish. So smooth. Oh, which works absolutely fantastically. And we have re-landscaped the existing pathway to come in to the sea, but whereas it's an older property, we have dropped it down, we've dug down, we've waterproofed, and we've put a shingle trap around the entire patio to basically future-proof the house and to give it some drainage so it can breathe. As you can see, there was the DPC there, but in other places it's a bit lower. So, yep, this radial comes around. We've returfed some of the lawn so that it goes in nice and smooth, a bit of re-landscaping. And yet we have another beautiful bullnose step that's here. Again, it's nice and smooth. Taking away the sharp edges so any children or animals might hurt themselves, or anyone coming around that slips over at a barbecue after a few too many. But on we go, round the side, looking at this patio, and you can see here, oh, I don't know if I can open the gate. And then we go straight into the driveway, and we're back around. As you can see, the frontage of this home has been greatly improved, giving it much curb appeal and extra value. You can see another little rumble strip. We've got an in and out driveway so they can have plenty of fun moving their cars from one side to the other. What entrance do I want to come in? I don't know. But if you like what you see and you want a bit of in and out, give us a shout here at Right Pave. Give us a shout. Instagram, Facebook, via the website. Please like and share, and maybe subscribe to the channel if you like these videos and you find them informative, fun, interesting, yet, I don't know, slightly different. But thanks very much. My name's Martin. This is Right Pave. Until the next one.